Number be biano. We say adia na means a woman no. So we don't want to lead God. The person said they ask them so we are not so much fixated on number one. I mean, what
number two? So how is this number going to help the campaign? I don't think it will do anything. I've seen people using a sort of ASEO number one, but I've been here. I'm not new to this business. I was here the last time with Agyapong. We picked number one. We didn't win. So this is just a number. It's a process that people who believe in superstition will go on. When we are one, we are going to win. When we are two.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is number 3. All the delegates, we are pleading with you for our future president. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is number 3.
Number 3.
And the 3 is the lucky number. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will say, and I before Edward Ballot, no, as share so now Ballot, you know, we know, can say, on a book and a compare Agyapong, Enya number 1, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, so Enya number 3, Brandon Champong, et also, you know, or no other number 2, Afi, on a boy, I was Educhum, et also, and 9, and Afi, Agyapong, and so Enya number 5, into Sa. And I say, our ballot paper no so na set me no eka say numbers no ebeto you na pedi hunu fu ahya say e de emuntri mu eba chama Wuntumi so na enim senka police for editing ni say bill conditions be no Wuntumi emiti we meet bill conditions na we pia bonten bi so ya opia bonten na no the first speech I wode ma e campaign message ya wode ma Dr. Muhammad Bawumia tita for address number na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia enya e number ebebo wo mu yi pa so much GH and mo akwa abade abaso master so we me subscribe button so e de now the bell no so aka won upload me to the first person ya won sa ebedi kai aka na maka I say too much multimedia college so and aso masne am de me de bro so me ensa wo me de additional church so eno the numbers no go screen asefa na from na wo so nyantete e wo central edubenim ebusu ase e body area ensem no de any reactions no edos ye pa ebi ani kan ye ebi so ya homete ebi aweho ebi so eye energy chairman Wuntumi ya yin enim se nanka wo share please custody ya wo mpie na busu ya wo pie no assemble and ode atuja na answer na ne medical ne yakwa akohwe abra ballot no ekọ so response ni netitafo ekọ ye no emu bi ebu afu ye pa e kire se Dr. Muhammad Bawumia wo mu bedi na chi baaye e ma wo mu beta na chi senke bere bi de beko ye kama no wie ya papa no atu ne ka atwa fo wo so a Wuntumi ankahwe amfanche wo mu
Dr. Bawumia pa no wa judge I you
MPP just had to again, you need 1.7 million votes for the whole town. We're going to do so for President
honorable kana komprekun Agyapong number 1 na wonyae no sign of hope yes bibia ekoyi e de amane de ene o enkunimdie no ebeko e de amane trese enidaso e wo ho e de ma honorable kana komprekun Agyapong face enidaso e wo ho o de ma oman Ghana ne kwakwa ene NPP so mbesan enya 2 minutes 2028 ebi so e trese Dr. Muhammad Bawumia so nenim se tension no e between Ken ene Dr. Muhammad Bawumia no so number 3 na wonyae e sign of authority and power e to me e na wonya no ntse wonya 2 minutes de na bibia akoyi e de amanunti we no hope any to me who is who
number be biano. We say adia na mean sa woman no uni nyame anim. So we don't want to lead God. The person na say they asem nyina e ma nyame. So we are not so much fixated on number 1. I mean, bottom line is on 1 to 5 as I say. When you wanna be 2, when you 2 be 3, when you 3 be 4, when you 4 be 5. And sometimes for PR purposes, you know, if you are marketing, so too sure. So 3 in the name of God, the Father, the Son, when he was so came for next or the 4 9, I be so 5, so almost Jesus Christ 5. I mean, last time send a candidate no 1. People only 8 there. There has also been situations where for so was here or so there. Nti eno de party for no ono mo adwen no mo etim ko se o mbesese mo no na e de ho hia na yeso enim se form wa yakọ nkomo ya ni o madie no the most important thing is ato a message yi na e wo gidi se 31st o mbese credit okay ni program mu na can buy so penny de bibia se odi wani de achi nti o be hwe the process ni si e de ekọ ana o beti a party penny for a ono mo hwe amadwumade na de akoso we na the team members were reverend were ministers were former MPs were and we were just the chairman so support media so the I mean all of it is just about picking a number. Any person can do it on your behalf. I know to say brokers and also be that's what he did.
Nebusia after say we nyina course we no brand champion so etitafo ebekasa e kire say number 2 na wo munyae ne de eno no eye pepepe e de ma wo mu.
At the top there, oh, I thought that one you are aware. We came in for balloting. It's part of the process in terms of getting the primaries to go on. And we were there to pick, and there are 5 candidates. Their representatives were there, and I was one of them representing Dr. Brian Champo. And we just finished, and the number game is there. We were number 2, and up to the 5 other people were different numbers.
So what's the position for
When you talk about position, no, number 2.
So how is this number going to help the campaign?
I don't think it will do anything. I've seen people using EoCO number 1, but I've been here. I'm not new to this business. I was here the last time with Honorable Agyapong. We picked number 1. We didn't win. And I've seen, as I said earlier, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he also didn't pick number 1, number 8. He won. So this is just a number. It's a process that people who believe in superstition will go on. When we are 1, we are going to win. When we are 2, but it has happened so many times that you, the media, are very much aware of it. I am not a believer in superstition.
What makes your candidate stands out among the 5, and are you confident that he's going to emerge as a presidential candidate for the new Patriotic Party?
Absolutely. I've said that all the 5 candidates contesting are fully qualified, except that we have to have the one who have the vision that will reflect what the party has been with for so long. I think I've been a founding member. I started somewhere in the 90s up to today. So if you just have to know, I was the first overseas chairman. So I'm privy to the issues and how campaign runs. And I think I also took on the last campaign of Agyapong in 2023, where everybody thought we were not going nowhere. We went somewhere. Having learned the experience with me as a chief advisor for Honorable Brian, it's going to get better. It can never get worse. I've said it.
Too sure.
I'm very too sure. I said that Utia is qualified. Man said he had a canon. Honorable Brian Champion. He's a top.
Abusia we ene ne brand champion camp editu dwa efa number ya wo mkunya ya number 2 na ye na say nim say na akomia so ni pa ba ko wakasa e de ma Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia e na wo tre say ai ma sha say tre say wonya number 1 na say wodi nkunimu ana say wo say number 1 no sheda nya bibi soronku bia enye nkunimdie bia na mom say eye 1 ana say eye ase ho no eno eboa e ma ye hu ntem ana say wo de ye campaign na wo bre wo ne mo ni social soro ho eno mida ho ana hwa ase ho mida ho ne mom say okoda emfinfi na aya na ne ha adwana ne se ne hwehwe no na akwakoye ya na so se delegate for no epe wasem a emfa ho ne number wo benya wo mehwehwe no ba beto aba na mo nti number 3 na Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia enya ne de entimi sesahwe wo no ene bedin kuni.
The numbers really do not matter. If people want to vote for you wherever you are, they will look for you, isn't it? Do they matter to you? They don't matter to you. But if I have my way, I would like either the first position or the last position, simply because it is easier to communicate than a Seho or a Sroho. But otherwise, whatever number that you have, your people will look for you and vote for you. Thank you very much.
Abusia after said an akomia edi ensemi etujan almighty chairman Wuntumi so eba bonteno ne first stop campaign headquarters afei okoye campaign edi ma Dr. Muhammad Bomia say number 3 na womanya ne de eja oba eni susu nkonko.
For me,
Okay.
last one.
Chama. Okay. But
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is number 3. All the delegates, we are pleading with you for our future president. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is number 3.
Number 3.
And the 3 is the lucky number. Thank you.
Nti abusia ensam no nyina se na esitwa gu ye chama Wuntumi a wapie ne nsam a obeka ne nyina no ena yakwa koti aba no we no afei na numbers no aba sunsun pede hu fo se ndi kan no be de nchemu be ba yi pai bi kire se eye hope ebi se eye tumi eno nti Ghana fo no ebi se hope any tumi no ne we he ena wodi enkunim 31st January 2026 drop your comment no e wo comment section ho ma yehu se eye ndaso na efa ana se eye tumi ya Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ena efa all the social media handles eye too much GH o subscribe no like no wa share na afofo so enye bia hwe midin e the dark gold macro.